In the world of precision angling, control is everything. To cast light lines great distances and harness the immense power of a fighting fish, a complex machine must fit in the palm of your hand. This is the unseen assembly of a modern baitcasting reel. Every cast begins with speed. First, we secure the micro-precision bearings and drop in the lightweight spool. These components are the foundation of performance, allowing the spool to spin freely at thousands of revolutions per minute during a powerful cast. Next, we integrate the power transmission system. We install the main gear train, the durable brass main gear and the smaller pinion gear. Crucially, the drag system is assembled here, stacking ultra-smooth carbon washers that will provide the friction needed to tame a strong fish. Now for the speed regulator. The braking system is fitted. This component is essential to prevent line backlash or a bird's nest by applying controlled resistance during the initial high-speed phase of the cast. Its precise adjustment is the mark of a quality reel. With the core transmission installed, we ensure even line distribution. The level wind mechanism, driven by a miniature worm gear, is fitted. This component travels side to side, laying the line perfectly flat on the spool for the next long cast. The final details. The handle and star drag adjuster are mounted, the casing is sealed, protecting the inner complexity. The assembly is complete. We've built a machine that transforms a flick of the wrist into the velocity required to cast the line and bring the largest fish to hand, a testament to compact, controlled power. Update. The assembly is complete, the gear is ready, we've built the precision for the perfect cast. If you want to see more technology that powers our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.